As a graphics, in this particular tutorial we're going to create a mockup using the photoG application. So without any further ado, let's just head into the design of the day, tutorial of the day. So just please subscribe if you join me for the first time. So let's just click new project. This is not an introduction to puzzle the application, just want to create a new design here. So I'll just come to insert from gallery back, okay, without crop. So let me just bring in my design. I have a couple of them in pixellab, so I'm just gonna take a while for this thing to load. Oh god, I have a lot of images, lot of images. That's why it's taking like a donkey here. So let's just bring in, I guess I've deleted that one. Okay, we're just heading to pixellab. So we get now the phone you're using, the pens will be very different from mine anyway. So you'll be navigating through Photopea, not Photopea this time. photoG is going to be different. So this is what I'll be using. So now I use without crop. That's why I can't move it. So let me just leave it this way. I won't tamper with it. So I'll come to this option. Now just come to convert to 3D mockup. Now it's giving me various options of 3D mockups. Now I can barely access this thing because of it is not in English. So I'm just going to select the one I want. You can see most of these options are not free. Like this one is not free, that's why it's not having options here. Like this one, I can use this one, that's why it's giving me options. Now I guess you might have seen people use this kind of mockup for their designs. So these are different kind of variations of mockup which you can use. This is a stamp. This one, you can see there's no option I can use it, but if you have to vet between photoG and Photopea, which is better, I'll tell you Photopea is better, very better, because in terms of clarity and for your designs. So it's also have a book cover which you can explore, car cover, and we saw it. So these are the designs we can use. So let me click on this blue, accept. It's going to run ads for some minutes. Now the option the ads is here. You're going to see it to this place. It has to get to this place. So the ads has to get to this particular place. So it's before it's going to work. If I cancel it now, this cancel option, I won't want to do that. If I cancel it now, it's not going to work. So the ad has to run. You need to stay with the advertisement for about, I think it's about 30 seconds before can now proceed. Alright, so it is done. Now the fun part is I don't understand what these people are saying. So see, it's directing me to a different application. Let me go back. I'll just come here and cancel. So right, see, it's uploading, successfully sent to the server. I just pray I'm not canceling this thing now. And click on this. So this is what I have here. So I'll just click on this one to be for download. So it is downloaded successfully. So I'll just come here and come to my file manager, has to take time for it to process again. You know what, I'm just going to close the file manager and open it back. Then I should have it in my recent document, so you can see this is what I sent to the photoG. Now you see the way the image, the logo is just because I didn't crop it. All you just need to do when you're using your own is crop with crop. I did mine without cropping, that's why I couldn't adjust it like this. So I'll just go back and reduce the size a bit. But when you compare this result with using something similar with Photopea, between me and you see Photopea is better. Alright, we're done. You just come here and you can still explore some of the mock-up that are here. Sincerely, you actually love working with photoG. It's gonna save you the stress. Now let's see if I can get a business card. Okay, for now I can't get a business card. So, but you know what we just use can't actually work. It won't work perfect here, but the mockup will work here. Let's click on this, accept, reduce this one please, we don't want noise. Oh dear, we're stuck with another moment of hearts. Okay, in case you're just joining me for the first time, please hit the subscribe button so you'll be seeing me very well, hearing my voice very well, and also we'll be learning. You'll be learning, I will be learning, we'll all be learning. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial. After this had running for about, I think it's about 40 to 30 minutes. Oh dear, Panko. Alright, so it's done running. I'm waiting for this cancel button. Alright, it's somewhere around here. Okay, it's uploading. Now when your photoG is out of date, it won't be working. It will tell you it's unable to send to server, but definitely it will still run ads. So this is what's how when I download this, it's still, that's the funny thing, they'll still run their ads. Okay, now so let's do something. You don't have to be okay. Let me delete this. So you see, how come I'm having two? Just delete one. So you can see this one is quite okay. Here it's quite okay. Alright, so that's all for this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and we'll see you in the next video.